So y'all know I'll be talking junk in the comments. Well, y'all, I know y'all. Dang, cause got some hiccups or something. Y'all know what the Trump guy said. Dang, bro. I drunk water if it's doing help. In the comments, y'all said stop talking. I'll be talking if I want to talk though, man. I want. Well, y'all gotta spread the word. Like, gotta spread the word. Everything would be good in the word.